The DJI Mini 5 Pro is generating significant buzz in the drone community, with leaks and insider information revealing exciting details about this anticipated release. As one of the most awaited additions to the DJI lineup, the Mini 5 Pro promises to elevate the drone experience for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. This article will explore the latest news, confirmed features, and speculations surrounding this innovative drone. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its sleek and compact design. Early leaks suggest that DJI is prioritizing both weight reduction and durability. Maintaining a lightweight frame is crucial for flight performance and maneuverability, especially for aerial photography and videography. The incorporation of advanced materials such as carbon fiber or reinforced plastic may enhance durability while ensuring the drone remains agile. Battery life is always a critical consideration when selecting a drone. Fortunately, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to outperform its predecessors in this regard. Early reports indicate that users can expect up to 45 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This is a notable improvement from the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which offers approximately 34 minutes. Another exciting aspect of the Mini 5 Pro is its anticipated transmission range. Rumors suggest that it could boast a 15 kilometers transmission range, setting it apart from many current market offerings. This means that pilots can enjoy a reliable connection even at greater distances, making the Mini 5 Pro ideal for landscape photography and professional videography. While specific camera specs are still under wraps, industry insiders suggest that we can expect a significant upgrade in camera quality. The Mini 5 Pro could support 4K video at 60 FPS, enabling filmmakers and content creators to produce high-quality footage with exceptional clarity. Enhanced sensor technology will likely provide better low-light performance, making the Mini 5 Pro suitable for dusk and dawn shoots. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to come equipped with a variety of intelligent flight modes, enhancing the user experience and enabling creative shooting possibilities. Improved sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in real time, ensuring safer flights even in complex environments. As for the pricing of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, it is speculated to fall in the same range as its predecessors, around $699 to $799. Insiders predict that DJI may officially announce the Mini 5 Pro in the second quarter of 2024. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game changer in the world of drones. With confirmed leaks highlighting improvements in design, flight time, camera capabilities, and safety features, it is evident that DJI is committed to delivering a top-tier product. As we await further announcements and the official release, drone enthusiasts and content creators alike are filled with anticipation for what the Mini 5 Pro will offer. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch date.